thinking. So many threats have been made to my life. I'm beginning to think about giving up on this royal household.
Why my prince can relax?
Do you know you're the first son of King Harrison? The heir to the throne of Ifite? You cannot let go of what is rightfully yours.
I have never wanted to be a traditional ruler. All I want to do is to serve my people in politics. That's it.
You see, my prince, same spirit of leadership.
It is better to be a traditional ruler than to be a political leader. You can rule and hand over to your children. Moreover, the king of Ifite is well respected in this state. He can endorse anyone who wants to be the governor of this state. No, Richard, I think you beef up your security. For security reasons anyway.
Yes, you have a point there. I too have been thinking along that line.
The short time I've been with you, I know you have a very large heart. I mean, no doubt you make a good king someday.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Meanwhile, work continues at the site. My father has given his approval and the boys won't disturb anymore. So, what can I offer you? Don't worry, I have what would be good.
Richard.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Let those greetings dry up in your mouth. What is good about this morning? Eh? Don't ever greet me again. And you should stay away from my family.
What's the matter?
Who is your mother? Do I look like a slave to you? Please, stay away from us for once. What is your problem? For your information, I want you to stay away completely from this palace. Do I make myself clear? Stupid. Nonsense. Stupid boy.
Somebody tell me. Somebody tell me. I got my buckle on you.
Why?
Somebody tell me.
Why do they hate me this much? Why?
Somebody tell me. Somebody tell me.
Mama, I will not listen to you. Eh? Mama, I need to go and confront those idiots. A confrontation will put them in check. Why would they harass my husband that way? And treat him as if he's an outcast?
Vivian, this is not your fight. It's not your fight. Eh? Instead, allow him shoulder his responsibility. He is equal to the task.
Mama, I am Mrs. Vivian Richard Okeke. I'm his wife and his helpmate.
I know.
Mama, they need to get that into their dumb skull. Why would they treat him as one pushover?
It's okay. Don't worry, okay? Just don't worry yourself. Richard is equal to the task. He will treat the matter himself.
Mama, okay. I will listen to you. I will listen to you. But do not say I didn't warn you concerning this matter.
Don't worry.
They need to know that he has a wife. What's this nonsense?
By the way, where did Richard go?
I don't even know.
Okay, let's go inside. Come, my
Mama, we should go inside.
Come, let's go.
We should go inside.
Yes. I don't want you to go out, please.
Why are you panicking? Why are you panicking over this? Your brothers will find a common ground to reconcile one day. See, I want you to go ahead and settle with Prince Chidi. He has been waiting for so many years for you.
Joy, you don't understand. It's like you don't know what is going on. There is tension in the palace right now. The tempo is high. My mother, my brothers, I don't know what to do. Have you made up your mind to get married to my brother?
I'm still consulting. Don't worry, I will give you my answers.
You're still consulting? Joanne, this is serious now. Look, I know right now you're not in any relationship. That is why I want to get married to my brother.
And I promise you, very soon, you'll hear from me. I promise.
Okay.
Cheer up now. Tell me, how do you cope with this hectic flight schedules?
My day has not been easy, but I give God all the glory.
Of course.
I just thank God for safe flights all the time though. But that's not my problem now. My problem is my brothers.
Don't worry. Everything will be okay with them.
I am here because you are noble and the most respected amongst the council of chiefs in Ifite Kingdom. I cannot sit by and watch a total stranger take what is rightfully my son's right. Your own son, the true son of Ifite Kingdom.
Your Highness, I am a custodian of our culture and tradition. I have heard all you have said. The man in question is supposed to be the first son of the king. And by right, he's supposed to take over from him when he is no more.
The question is, how are you sure that this man called Richard is truly the king's son after all these years?
But Your Highness, the king himself confirmed it.
Whatever the case may be, I need you to help me. I don't know what to do at this minute. I am so confused. I can't just sit and watch somebody come in from nowhere and take what belongs to my children.
Mbana.
Please. I'm confused.
Your Highness, Prince Arinze must position himself to take what belongs to him. First, he'll get himself a wife. So people will believe him. No man is crowned a prince, according to our tradition, without taking a wife.
Mother, you sounded so urgent on the phone. What's the problem? Hope all is well.
How can all be well? Can't you see what is happening in the palace?
Mother, you're getting me all confused.
Your brother is at the verge of losing the throne to a total stranger. We can't sit and watch that happen. What about Joanne? Did she accept our proposal?
She's pleading for more time to make up her mind. But Mother, is there nothing you can do to stop all this from happening?
Marriage is the only way. What about those your friends during your university days? I mean, Lovett and Ugoma, yes. I want you to invite them over.
For what? We already spoke to Joanne.
We can't put all our eggs in one basket. Your brother has to take a wife to prove to your father that he's ready to be king.
Mother, I advise you allow Arinze choose wife for himself. What makes you think he will like my friend anyways?
My daughter, we have gone beyond what your brothers would like. We have to help them. As for your brothers, don't worry, I can take care of them.
Mother, I'll see what I can do. But I am not promising anything yet.
Just do something.
Things don't fall apart. Opposite by fair papa will look at me. Things don't fall apart. Opposite by fair will look at me. You know, say every story has a teller. Every teller has a story.
My princess. My lovely friends. You've really changed though.
Serious?
The last time I asked after you, I was told you traveled to America on a vacation. My love, I actually did. But I returned a few months back. Okay.
I didn't even bother to check after your friend.
I'm sorry now. Okay, I'm here now. Babes. See, I have this lovely gist I would love to share with the both of you.
Are you serious?
Very juicy.
Bring it on, girl. I can't wait to hear this royal gist.
I will, definitely. But it's highly confidential. I'll have to whisper it to your ears. You know, the walls have ears.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so come.
Oh, my dear. I need to shop for some new clothes. I'm already seeing myself as the future queen of Ifite land.
See, I can't wait till tomorrow. I told you one day I would like to shine.
Yes, so my sister, you said that. Thank God for a friend like Princess Isabel. That girl is a friend indeed.
Yeah, even when I was in school, she paid my fees twice when my dad couldn't afford it.
Oh.
If not for her, I would be a dropout.
Ha! My dear, have you forgotten how I moved into her apartment when I could no longer afford to pay my rent? She practically allowed me to move in with her. Right now, she's placing us in the royal family on a platter of gold.
You see me, I will do everything possible never to let this golden opportunity pass me by.
Me too, my dear. I can't wait to see our husbands.
So these are my brothers I've been telling you guys about. They're caring and they're also cute, ain't they?
Yeah.
You don't need to tell me that. The cuteness runs in the blood. Yeah, Tago.
I can't see that.
You already know my mom.
Yeah, of course.
So I believe they will never joke with other girls. Especially you.
My princess. You just know how to say the right words.
They're the exact truth. It's no life in here.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my prince.
Please, can you introduce yourselves?
My prince, I am Goma. I graduated from UNN.
Oh, good. What about you?
I'm Lovette. I'm a graduate of UNN too.
Oh, that's
Studied law.
interesting. So, please, can you make yourselves comfortable?
Okay.
Okay. Just give you a refreshment.
It's nice of you.
We're nice in our family. It runs to the blood, like I said.
Well, let me leave you all to enjoy yourselves while I go into the kitchen.
Thank you, Your Highness. Please let me help you in the kitchen.
Me too, ma.
Wow. This is thoughtful of you. Like I said, enjoy yourself. The chef can handle it.
Alright, ma.
See you soon inside.
Okay.
No, not the long.
We're nice now, family. Okay, let me allow you guys have fun.
Okay, my princess.
Excuse me.
You're quite excused.
Baby.
My bro.
So, do you live in this community?
I stay in town, my prince.
Oh, fantastic. What about you?
I stay in town too.
So you study UNN, eh?
Yeah, I graduated from UNN and I studied law as well.
Ah, are you both practicing?
Yes, I'm practicing.
Yeah. Okay, that's interesting.
It's working.
I told you it would work.
Good. I thank God, though. Because the throne is at stake. I really pray it works.
Don't you trust me again?
I do.
Look, they are getting along so well. It will work, Mom.
They're really getting along.
Yes. I think he likes her.
Yeah.
They like themselves.
I told you it will work. I never doubted my instincts.
I never doubted you too either, Mom. Look, I trust my friends. Besides, I did a whole lot of work on them. I also told them to come with something enticing to entice my brothers. I have plans for tonight.
You? Okwagi? Oh, let me go to the kitchen and see what the chef are doing.
Alright.
Yeah.
This life, this life, not what you think, always come here.
Hi there.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm just admiring the pool.
Oh, yeah, this pool is so nice. I've been admiring it too.
I just can't wait to go in there and, freshen up.
All this water is so beautiful. I could just jump in right now,
Honestly, I just feel like jumping in there and,
we can't do anything. We are not wearing our swimsuit, so we're just here.
That's just the thing.
Yeah.
Hope you're good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Where are my brothers? Where did they go to?
I don't really know. We're just out here chatting and having fun, and they just left all of a sudden.
Just like that?
Just like that, my princess. They just left without a word. I think they had a call or something.
Yeah, I guess so.
You know what? I think they should be in their rooms. But the most important thing is I am here for you girls now.
Well, I just hope this works out. Like, I'm so in love with your brother. He's so handsome, so gentle. I just can't wait to be his wife.
Ah, girl, chill. We all can't wait to be their wives.
Trust me, soonest you girls will be. Everything will be fine, okay? Don't you trust me again?
I trust you.
I hope you girls came with something sexy. Because I want you girls to look very sexy for my brother. Did you guys come with any?
Sure.
Yeah, we did.
You can count on us.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get you refreshed.
Okay, refreshed. Right. I like the sound of that.
Always come to
temerity to come into my room, let alone stay in my royal bed.
I'm sorry, my friend. I just wanted to show you how much I love you.
Look at this idiot. What has love got to do with you in my room and on my royal bed? Enough bother!
I'm sorry, my
friend. How will you get your president out of this room before I do something stupid?
I'm sorry, my friend. I didn't mean to come here. It was your mom's idea.
Oh. Okay. I can see where all these are coming from. Now get out. Just leave this room before I open my eyes. Immediately. Get out! Come on, get out of my room. What are the nonsense again? Love or by force? Just imagine.
What is it? See, I don't think I can do this anymore. I can't stand the level of humiliation I receive in this palace. I'm leaving here right now.
My dear, even me, I'm so tired. Honestly, I know I need a man, but I'm not desperate for one.
I'm going in there to tell the princess that I'm leaving this minute. What is all this? Please do. No. It's too much. Thank God none of this palace met us here. Honestly, it would have been a mess. Please, go.
This life, this life,
My fellow women, things are turning from bad to worse. The two princes of this kingdom are terrorizing us, claiming that they are the two rightful sons of the king, and that we have no rights to support the choice of the king, making his returning son, Richard, heir to the throne of this kingdom.
Did I hear you say terrorize? How can we sit down and watch a stranger to become our king in this kingdom? Richard, or whatever they call him, is not going to be our king. The king cannot impose him on us.
Mechionu. Asengi Mechionu. How can you utter such rubbish against the king and against the throne of this land? I can see that the two princes have stuffed your mouth with money. Ask when he had bachatara na agigi ite na anana agugo onu. Obroyan. Obroya.
My fellow Umuadas, as you can see, this matter is a very delicate one, and we must be very careful on how we handle it. I've said my own.
We have to be careful.
There is nothing to be careful about in this issue. The truth is very open. Richard is our choice, the king's choice,
and he is not our choice.
Madam Nonodu, sit down.
You sit down.
Sit down.
Stand up.
So what will happen tomorrow? Tomorrow you people should come, because I've already arranged with the two princes for your first meeting tomorrow. Okay. Remember, wear something delicious. You wear gun. You wear something like trousers or bone shorts.
Okay.
Yeah? I'm going to It's okay.
Bye bye.
Okay. I'm going to
Ujungwa, please come. Come fast.
Yes, Mama.
Go and bring that, go and meet that woman. Mama, and collect that money.
Inside.
I know now, the woman will soon go out. Go and collect his job.
Mama, I'm coming.
Okay.
And then name. You serious? Mama, then is back.
How are you?
Fine. This bag is fine.
Thank you.
Adama.
Mama.
Hey. Adamo. Adama.
How
hey.
Are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome. I like this your hair.
Thank you.
You dash me.
Mama, I'm very hungry.
There's food now. There's food in the house.
Mama made open salad.
Hey.
You
standing here, Mavi?
Yes, no. Go inside. Come on. Hey.
Mama, why exactly do you ask me to come back home, knowing fully well we have activities going on in school?
You know that since your father died, things have not been easy for us at all. I hope you know that.
I do, Mama, I do.
You know that when you marry a wealthy man, things will be easy for us.
Mama, Ini Emeka.
Shut up.
What do you know? Is that why you asked her to come back home?
Square up. Listen, Ada. You know that the two princes, Arize and Emeka, is looking for suitable wife to marry. Going by the way I trained you, I know you can make a good wife.
Mama, I don't understand you. Mama, what are you saying I should do?
You will go and visit the two princes, Arize and Emeka.
Why, Mama?
Hey. Oh, the Kwegwo. Mama, are you encouraging her to start following men? I don't understand it though.
Shut up! Only I go talk.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone.
Look at you. Adama.
Mama, I'm scared. Is this okay?
It's okay now. Beautiful pikin. Hey, one car, one son. Hey, yes. If you reach there, make sure you greet. Wait. When you go there, walk like a bird. Don't talk too much. Smile. Like. Hey. Don't you like? One of them. Hey, you see, Bombo. Hey.
Mama, stop.
If you reach there, you know. Understand now.
Mama,
so that.
Mama, I have a friend in school.
Ah, which friend? Ojego. Don't let me curse you. Go there and make sure one of them chooses you. Egovin nwa. Hey. Go. Amale cham. Hey. Hey. The queen.
Mama, hear him to come.
What is that?
Actually, when you shindin the no loca. I thought you were a leader in CWO. Why are you behaving like this? Mama Chere, I have a question for you. Are you saying that need to just go and meet a man she knows nothing about? A man she has never had any encounter with? And then the man will just make her his queen just like that? Utosiaro.
14 years. It is when I marry your father. Ask your grandmother here. Is it not true? Grandmother.
Hey, Mama. Mama, you need to watch this thing. It's getting out of hand.
Watch
you
it.
need to watch it. Mama.
Stupid girl.
This thing is getting out of hand.
Joanne, I don't really know what is wrong with Isabella. She seems to be giving more attention to her brother's problem, to even think about our futures together.
Listen, Prince Chidi. I have told you to have a little patience. I promise I'm going to talk to Isabella and know what the problem is.
You better do. Because there is no day that passes without me arguing with my father over me choosing a date for our traditional marriage.
I apologize on behalf of my friend. I promise I'll talk to her. And I know she's going to get back to you as soon as possible.
You think so? Thank you so much for your time. I'm really sorry for inconveniencing you.
It's okay. I'm happy to assist. Just relax, okay?
Hey, Adana is not yet back. Let it not. What is wrong?
Mama, this is just the beginning. You've not seen anything. I wish they would just impregnate her and bundle her back to you. Mako Icho. Bride.
What is that? What is that?
Mama, can you imagine?
Imagine what?
You mean like I got introduced to the prince? They just walked out on me.
Hey!
Mama, they didn't even talk to me, not even a glance. Why is this one laughing? My family get inside.
Allow me to laugh.
They did not choose you.
They didn't pick me, they didn't even talk to me.
Hey!
I don't know, wait though. What happened? You didn't walk like a bird. Mama, see, I'm going back to school today. I just wasted my transport for nothing. Don't come for this kind of thing again, no.
Hey!
I will just slap you.
Majesty, where are you going? It's not good. Get in Idala.
Mama, look. Transport for nothing. Mama. Hey, because I'm. Hey, Her Royal Majesty. Mama, look.
Babe, are you really telling me the truth? How could you allow yourself to be roped into such an arrangement?
How am I supposed to know this won't work out? It was our friend, the princess, that begged for it.
Babe, no man is worth the experience you just told me. Treating you like a trash.
Please, let's talk about something else.
Okay, fine.
What are you both doing in the palace uninvited?
Tobias, we need the one that asked us to come today for you to arrange the prince for us.
Who? Wait, you just stormed the palace like you cannot even call me and know if the prince is around or travel.
We are the one that assured us that we are going to see them today.
What do you mean make assurance? Are you okay? Okay, even if I show you, so you have to come to the palace dress like this. Don't you know that here is palace?
But what is wrong with our mode of dressing? You asked us to dress decent.
Is this your own true definition of decent? Don't you know there is difference between decent and responsible, indecent, touched? Don't you know? Then you came to the palace looking like this.
Tobias, if you know how I press these clothes,
Which pressing? See, the prince, they don't like girls that used to press their clothes. If you want to get their heart, come with unpressed clothes. See, you both have to leave now. Go and dress so that I will replan with the prince and know where your meeting will be.
No.
What's not gonna? No. See, come and go, yeah? Just go, I will see you people. Oh no, sit down.
Now,
I'm not guy. Go, let me lock door. Just go budge into the palace. This is the kind of thing that they used to sack somebody with. Just you come to the palace because they told you they will arrange the meeting with the prince.
What do we do?
Mother, I don't know. I'm still very confused.
Mommy, what is the meaning of that drama?
My son, I want you to settle down. I want you to get a wife. You must tell your father that you're a man and serious to take over the throne.
Mommy, I'm a man and I should know what is good for me. Mommy, allow me to make my choice. Just allow me to take my wife when the time comes.
Do you want another person to take what belongs to you? I know you wouldn't want that.
I've told you time without numbers that I don't want to get married anytime soon. And I'm not going to be the next king. Because I don't want to see all those cheap looking local girls around me. No way. Before I get Potram Deobanji, Biko, allow me and I'll make my choice.
Right now it is by force. You must get a wife for yourself.
You should be proud of me, Mommy. You should. There are so many women out there, but wife, that'd be difficult.
Hey.
Who is disturbing my sleep this afternoon? Huh? Thunder, are you ready? Come in. You have returned.
Yes, we're here. Take a look at us. How do we look? I hope we look good.
You are good. Good. But there is a small problem.
Problem? What is the problem?
The two princes, they are not around. They travel. They travel this morning.
Traveled?
Returned.
But you never told us they will travel.
And they don't used to announce they are traveling.
Yeah.
So actually, this is a village that the prince want to travel. Huh?
Are you sure?
Are you sure of what you're saying? Because I don't trust you. Yes, I don't trust you too. My mind tells me that you are lying.
The heart of a man thinketh evil. So I'm not surprised. Somebody like you, just steady. See, you have to go. When you come back, when they come back, then you come again. But trust me, the prince will accept you this way. See, it's even for your own good, though. For your own good. They are traveling because of the wedding shopping. The shopping wedding. For the wedding.
I got a plan again. Are you sure?
Don't mind her, you that believe in miracle. See, they travel to shop for you people's wedding. What is your ring size?
Size 5.
5?
Yes.
Quite bad luck. Because I've heard them saying that what they plan for this wedding is size 10 in ring.
My own is 9. 9, oh yeah, so 10 okay.
It's okay. Please, we can shape your own. You might even marry him without ring. It's okay. Just go. Size
9.
9. Oh yeah, and you just go. When they come back, I will inform them. Then you come back. You know go?
So when will they come back?
Just go. When they come back, everybody will know that they are back. And I was size 9 and I ring you.
Alaji, no. See, Alaji, buy from our products. If you buy our products, Alaji, you of course you will get the best. Alaji, I'm serious. See, Alaji, okay, we'll give you 420 million. Yes. Come, my sister. Yes, Alaji. Alaji, you can pay 420 million. No problem. We'll supply you all our products. We have the best. Yes, we have the best. Our products are unbeatable. Alaji, you know. No. Alaji, let me call you back. Let me call you back. All right.
Bro.
Bella.
What do you have for me?
Sit down. Bella, sit down.
Where am I sitting?
No, just sit. Oh, you want to sit here? You can sit. Just sit down.
Okay.
Shh. You may not get a party. You can bubble much. Look, I can see you had a visitor.
She's my childhood friend.
Oh, really?
Her name is Joanne.
Is she from this village?
Yes. My father used to be a school principal before he passed on.
Oh, it's a pity. I like her courage, you know. I like the way she carried herself and her beauty. Yeah, you know. I would like to see her again.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Consider it done. I will do anything for my bro. I will do anything for you. I will do anything for you. Oh yeah. Okay, but let me just rush in and.
You know, I can dance.
I know.
When I do it, forget about my place. I do it. I rock it.
Bro.
No.
Don't worry. I'll get her for you. Trust me.
I will keep something for you.
I know. I trust you. All right. Let me just rush and do something.
No problem.
All right.
Hey, shh. Oh, wait. Come here. Yeah, let's go. Come here.
My elders, I greet you. Igwe. My lord. Today is a very great day in the entire Ifite kingdom. A day of joy. It is a day of fulfillment. My son here, Prince Arinze, has finally decided to be a man. I'm so happy. I bless you, my son, you and your wife. Every blessing that comes with marriage shall be with you. And that includes the fact that your wife shall be rich in fruits of the womb. And that includes the fact that you will love her and she will love you. And that includes the fact that happiness and peace shall be your portion. You shall be a blessing to her, and she will be a blessing to you. And so shall it be.
The future of our kingdom. Adoma, oh, Omalicha nwa. Bakpando toto. Si n'ụlọ ego na-eme n'odogwu dị Dikeh. Osikwa Dikeh na-akwalụ bụrụ n'ụba Arizona mgbanwụbemo. Inulibe Dikeh na-akwalụ n'ọgbọ ọgụ nnukwu mmanwụ na Kenega Dikeh si nwe akwa mbem eji ama ndị odogwu Arizona na nnukwu orume. Zineke Arizona odogwu na ịkpọtala asa odogwu maka na agbala dị mma na-akwụ dị n'iru. Agbala dị mma na-akwụ dị n'iru. Nke
Ikina sapete mwani mwa pugo mwani mwa chalugo mwani na chalugo eji eje mba nne mu. Olwe kone meni mwa bemna ma kwa kwambe mu. Asadi ora mma. Asana meke negi eke nonu. Siri benji neke negi nenu wa wogonogo ndo hisi ge iba kwa ki ibe we. Otoko ge megi nenu wa woda chekwe muni opulu kwe cheki nsoba jiri kuye jiri. Si na nye buchu kwa kikabia mage nyunu munu ga muba mumanunu ga Dikeh echi maka na echi na koro n'igwe. Olwe ka na meni mmanwu bem. Tikwa kwasi ani ise.
I don't have time to talk to you. All I need is my money right now.
Bring it.
Which money are you people talking about? Tobias,
all the money we've been giving you to arrange the two princes for us. We need that money right now, this minute.
If I operate you can't just stop a man. You may expect Kobo Bego. Oh, what do you maybe nothing have spoiled. Listen to me. All this money, I use it in arranging the prince. So, it was in their mind before they changed their mind that they don't want you people again. No? When their mind was still with them, they want you people, they want you girls. But when their mind left them, hasn't had choices. So it's not my fault. And all the money you have been giving to me. So that their hearts will be melodious for you people.
It did not work out now.
You've been using our money to arrange princes as who?
As their personal personal take care of. See, that one is not an issue. Just relax, they will still have their mind where you people are. You know, go. You don't.
Please, I need my money, please. I need my money. Yes.
How much am I owing you?
You're owing me 10,000 naira.
But you did not give me the money once, you know. So go to see him, Diego. Go to see him here.
The first day I gave you 5,000. The second day, 3,000. The last day, now. The other day.
I'm not 10,000, but if you're not sure of the way you gave to me, I'm not sure of the way I'm going to give it to you.
What I gave you is 20,000. And I did not just give you. I paid everything together, not by installments.
Hey! You gave me 20,000?
Yes.
Jesus! Mama,
what if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule on. What if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule on.
Your Highness, have mercy, please. It will not happen again. Please, have mercy.
So you know your sins?
No, Your Highness.
Then why asking for forgiveness? Father, or whatever your name is. Now listen attentively. Tell your friend to stay away from our family. If not, we will deal with him. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
Thank
you, Your Highness.
Just go to Let's go.
You mean they did all this to you?
They even promised to kill me. Richard, they said if you love your life, you should stay away from the royal home.
No way. They can't scare me. I am not scared of them. Do they know what it took me to finally find out my route? And they want me to just blow it all away like that? No way.
From what I saw, Prince Aris and Emeka are so desperate. They can go any length.
I don't care whatever length they want to go. All I know is that they cannot scare me. I mean, that's my father's house. They cannot scare me away from there. If they want war, I will give them war. In whatever way they want it, I will give it to them in 10 foot. But as for me leaving my father's house or inheritance, no way. I am ready for this.
That's what it means. War.
They should bring it on. I'm equal to the task.
You're welcome. You see, today is the day I've been waiting for all my life. Your king is getting old. And as the days roll by, my health fails me. Our people have a saying that a wise man does not brood over what he does not have. Rather, he rejoices over the things he has. I thank my ancestors. I thank them because they have blessed me richly with children, wealth, and in fact, the whole kingdom of Ifite. And I'm very happy. Richard, my son, come forward. I thank the gods of my ancestors for bringing home my son, my first son. I want to make a declaration today that will guide the entire Ifite kingdom when I must have joined my ancestors. My first son, Richard, will succeed me on this throne as the culture and tradition of our kingdom says, while my two other sons will take charge of my business empire. Though I'm still alive, it had to be when I must have joined my ancestors. My son, kneel down. Oh no, do the right thing.
Yeah. If it's a pen. Yeah. Again. Yeah. Mono. Yeah. Metuano. Yeah. The great day has come. Yeah. Nwata nna ya jere gị oshi. Na-eji ụkwụ eme gịnị? Agbapụ ụzọ. My son Richard.
No.
Congratulations. Congratulations. The gods have favored you. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Akwa wone ya? Akwa nsim gani iru?
Gani iru.
That is it. That is it. Bring your hand. Bring your right hand. The gods have chosen you. Leia. Authority. You say you can. Oh yeah. My praise.
Why?
By the powers vested on me as the traditional prime minister of this great kingdom, Ifite, I declare you Crown Prince of Ifite Kingdom. Crown Prince. Crown Prince. Crown Prince. Crown Prince.
Ọkwado igwe Dikeh nwere ngalaba eji echekwa obi. Onye ka m na-ekwu maka odogwu be m ife enwe lukwa aka ọ na-eme m Dikeh. Igwe okwu ịgba n'ọbụ utu Dikeh nwụrụ odogwu na odogwu a na-amara Dikeh aka. Maka na mgbịrịgba odogwu na-akọma mgbe mgbịrịgba Dikeh pụtara na ya marịnị. Onwe ka ọ na-eme mmanwụ n'oje ka ọ bụrụ. Nkata ka nwoke bụrụta isi n'ọbịa ja ka odogwu vụrụ wee kwụli. Amụsịrị gị nnọọ n'obi odogwu. Dike a na-agbalị ụbụrụ n'ụba. Onwe ka ọ na-eme mmanwụ na-akpata oyi na-agụ mmanwụ ife enwe lukwa n'ubi odogwu. Ife akarịkwa na mmanwụ. Onwe ka ọ na-eme m. Chekwa ntị gị n'ụlọ ọnụ m ka m were otu isi apịla apị nwee ji ekwu okwu wee kwugwo okwu ka ụmụ Igbo wee mara na ibe a na-akọ nwere ebe ọ na-adị wee kwetekwe onwe ka ọ na-eme mmanwụ. Ana m anụ.
Oh, okay, I see. I can see you're ready for war, right?
That is because that seems to be the only language both of you understand.
Victorious warriors win first before they go to war. While defeated warriors go to war before they seek to win. I can see you now move around with this armed man. Such a desperate gold digger. And this war will destroy you.
Most times we don't know our strength until we are pushed to unleash our hidden powers.
So you think you can succeed my father as the king of this great kingdom? Oh, I say. You don't dare it. It's Woloshi, you Woloshi, and Memegane Mendoshi. I'm not fear.
Both of you can go to hell. You won't do anything.
And what is going on? What is going on? Arezi. Emeka, what is all this?
Ask him, father.
Richard, my son. What is wrong?
Father.
Yes.
Father, both of them have plans to kill me.
What?
Yes. My car was attacked today and my driver shot. Shot to death. Murdered in cold blood. I'm only being lenient not because I do not know what to do, but because I'm a man of peace. But when pushed to the wall, I can be more dangerous than a viper. This is my father's house and nobody can intimidate me.
Oh, see! You don't belong here. You don't belong here. There can only be one crown prince of Ifite, and that is Arizona. Who are you? Don't you imagine the fool? Eh? Rubbish. A product of one night stand.
What?
Otule, you're not yet the king and you're burning yourself with armed men.
Keep quiet! Shut up! I am still the king of Ifite. I'm not dead. I'm still alive.
Tell him, father!
Will you shut up? It's like you both have started biting more than you can chew. And it's high time I kept you in check. What's the problem? Calm down, Richard, calm down.
But I'm only being lenient because of you, and you know that.
Calm down.
Not like I don't know what to do to this
I
thing.
said calm down. I'm in control. Calm down. Come.
My friend, get inside! Otule, stop there.
This is life, the life we are living. The more you look, the less you see, the less you understand. Do you really want to know?
Nai, what is the problem? You have been like this since you came back from the council meeting. What is it?
My dear, Agwa no n'akịrịka. Agwa no n'akịrịka. I wonder what this kingdom will be in the next coming year.
How do you mean?
Do you know that Prince Arinze and Prince Emeka have declared total war against the first son of the king, Richard? They swore over their dead body never to allow Richard to be part of the royal family.
Nai, this is serious. Oh. This is really serious. So what is the king doing about it?
My dear, the king has taken his stand with Richard. But I'm afraid these two rascals can do anything to get what they want.
Nai, it's only God that will save us in this kingdom.
Yes, that's what I can see.
Is beautiful. You have cash, is wonderful. But when that is not enough, you start again. You start again. Dangerous game. Because the money's there. You never know how it's gonna end. This is dangerous game. Dangerous game. How it's going to end. This dangerous game. You really want to know.
Asabu! Ma, what you got now? I'll break this on leg. If you want to leave, then you must denounce Richard. Did you hear me?
Yes,
denounce
yes,
Richard. We only have one crown prince in this kingdom, which is Arinze, Arizona, my boss. Did you hear me?
Yes,
Arizona, my boss. Are you still supporting Richard?
No, no, sir.
What about you? Will you denounce Richard? Will you denounce Richard? I said, will you denounce Richard?
I will denounce. Who is this Richard?
To understand what you're saying.
I will denounce him. Richard Wadabudonye.
Now say, Prince Arizona.
Arizona.
How can you people want us to support a total stranger? A person whose identity is questionable. Number one, he's not a son of the soil. And he can never be part of the royal family.
Mazago, mind your tongue. Are you not calling our king, who says that Richard is his son, a liar?
Ichieweka, ask him all. Just because of the little money you gained from the two princes, you have chosen to ignore the truth.
Which truth? How do we know that the king is not making a story up for that the love she has for that strange woman?
Watch your mouth, Ago, before you say something that's against the gods of this land.
Gods of the land, indeed.
Yeah. Watch your mouth.
Okay. Keep it with you. I'm going.
All right, go. Can go. Can go.
Go.
Better go.
Imagine.
Open your eyes so you can see me. Look at me. Yes, look at me. When I told you that I can make you disappear, you thought I was joking, right? You think you can just open your mouth, your white mouth and talk cha anyhow?
What am I doing here? Where is this place?
Hey, listen. You see this place? We can kill you here, bury you here. Nobody will find you.